Already finished? Muhammad Akbar, Harin, Barry, Arif Koko, and Lionel.
One more, sir.
Okay. How about you, Muhammad Akbar?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, Barry.
Not yet, sir.
Okay, Arif Koko.
One more, sir.
Lionel.
One more, sir.
Okay. Already? Already done? Hello?
Already,
Done,
sir.
sir.
Okay, if I call, please respond. Yeah, okay. Number one, Muhammad Akbar. No. Only Muhammad Akbar. Go on. Number one, two, and three.
What other award ceremonies do you know of? I know the Grammy Awards. Do you like award ceremonies? Why or why not? Yes, I like because I like see talented people. Do you think it's fair to compare different movies, actors, music, etc., and choose one as the best? Not really because everyone has different abilities. That's
Okay.
all.
Okay, thank you. Next one, Haren.
What other award ceremonies do you know of? I know Golden Boy. Do you like award ceremonies? Why or why not? I like it because from that I know who is the best young player in Europe. Do you think it's fair to compare different movies, actors, music, and choose one as the best? I think it's fair.
Okay. Next one, Coco, go on.
What other award ceremonies do you know of? I know American Music Awards. Do you like award ceremonies? Why or why not? I don't like it because it's very controversial. Do you think it's fair to compare different movies, actors, music, etc., and choose one as the best? Yes, I think it's fair because we can change our mistakes and make it better.
Okay, next one, who? Barry.
What other award ceremonies do you know of? I know Golden Boots. Do you like award ceremonies? Why or why not? I I like it because from that I know who scored the most in one season. Do you think it's fair to compare different movies, actors, music, etc., and choose one as the best? I don't think it's fair because they have difference in each field.
Already? Already all?
Ready, sir?
Already all?
Lionel, sir.
Lionel, go on. Lionel.
What other award ceremonies do you know of? Bondier, it's for sport. Do you like award ceremonies? Why or why not? I'm like award ceremonies because I'm happy that one player that collect many trophies can have some awards himself for themselves. Do you think it's fair to compare different movies, actor, music, etc., and choose one as the best? No, I think it's not fair. I think one of the best is movies. The word is Oscar.
Okay, please look at number one because you are going to continue your study to SMA Unggulan. So you must be careful. Look at number one. What other awards ceremonies? So you are invited to mention more than one. More than one, like Grammy Music Awards, Indonesian Music Awards, American Music Awards, and many more things. How about you, Harin? Go on. Give me one example. One more.
Uh, Golden Boy and Golden Boot, sir.
Okay, next one, Muhammad Akbar, because you only mentioned one.
I think it's Grammy Awards, sir.
Okay, next one, Coco.
American Music Awards, and Golden Globe, sir.
Okay, how about the others? Barry?
What, sir?
What? One more of the examples of the awards.
Golden Boy, sir.
Okay, Golden Boy. And the next one, Lionel.
Oscar, sir.
Oscar. Okay, so it means, yeah, look at the sentence, especially about the number, because it's really important for you to know more, yeah, what will be answer, or how many things will be answered by yourself. So that is why, especially in English, you need to be more careful. What other award ceremonies? So there is S or ES in the end of the noun. Okay, I think yeah, you already understood about it. Udah semua tampil kan? Udah semua menjawab kan? Already?
Already, sir.
Okay, we go to the next one. So look at this one. Before continuing about this one, I want to confirm about your understanding. So have you understood about this one? Adjectives, degrees of comparison. How about you, Muhammad Akbar? You already understood about this topic?
Belum terlalu paham, sir.
Okay, how about you, Barry?
Paham, sir.
Okay, paham. How about you, Harin?
Paham, sir.
Coco?
Paham, sir.
Okay, and siapa lagi yang belum? Lionel?
Paham, sir.
Okay, but because your friends, okay, there is one person who has an understanding about this one. Okay, let me explain it first. But you that already have understood about this one, maybe you need to boost or to explore your English relating to degrees of comparison. So especially for you, Muhammad Akbar. So in degrees of comparison, there are three levels or three parts. The first one is in positive of absolute degree. For instance, Susie is beautiful. What does it mean, Muhammad Akbar?
Susi itu cantik, sir.
Okay, and the next one, this is in positive form, yeah. So it modifies noun without the need for comparison. So it's normal. So look at this one. Listen to me. I will give you two examples. Coco is good. Okay, Coco is good. Already? Coco is good and Muhammad Akbar is good. Okay, Coco is good. Sorry. Coco is good and Muhammad Akbar is diligent. What did I say before, Muhammad Akbar?
Coba ulang, sir.
Okay, the first sentence. Coco is good. Coco is good. And Muhammad Akbar is diligent. You got it? Okay, look at this one. But maybe it's okay. Can we continue, Muhammad Akbar? Can we continue, Muhammad Akbar? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first, Coco. Wait, yeah. Coco is good. Look at the chat box. You already saw?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the second one, Harin is diligent. Diligent. Already, yeah? Hari is diligent. So, look at this one. Please notify. In positive form, Coco is good and Harin is diligent. It means, look at this one. Coco is good. How many syllables? Only 1 until 2. Good. 1, yeah? Alright, you got it? Jadi saya campur aja bahasa Indonesia biar kamu paham ya. Nah, jadi kalau dia di positifnya itu, kalau 1 sampai 2 silabel atau suku kata, maka dia nanti akan berpengaruh ke apa? Ke comparative degree and superlative. You got it? Okay, and the next one. Look at this one. Itu tadi untuk apa namanya? Positive. Positive. Okay, that is positive. Next, apa namanya? Comparative. Comparative. Comparative itu akan berubah menjadi Coco is better than Lionel. What does it mean? Muhammad Akbar.
Coco itu lebih baik daripada Lionel.
Okay, and the next one, look at Harin is diligent. So we are going to make like this one. Harin is more diligent than Akbar. Coco is better than Lionel. And the second one, Harin is more diligent than Akbar. It means like this one. For 1 until 2 syllables, you can use by adding er in the end of the adjective. Jadi kalau 1 sampai 2 syllablesnya itu, maka tingkat lebihnya itu kamu tambahkan sama atau lah saya bilang itu di akhir kata sifat itu. Paham?
Paham, sir.
Misalnya good, dia kan karena dia kata sifat tidak beraturan kan gitu. Tapi tadi kalau kita buat misalnya saya ganti misalnya tadi Coco is apa saya buat ya? Coco is rich lah saya buat kaya kan gitu. Saya ganti biar teratur dia Coco is richer than Akbar. Jadi teratur dia kan kata sifatnya kan. So now we are going to the superlative degree. Maka ada aturan, there are several rules. The first one, for 1 until 2 syllables, maka kamu buat begini. Coco is the richest boy, a man in the city. Apa artinya ini?
Coco adalah pria terkaya di kota.
Okay, and how about the second sentence? Tadi second sentence itu adalah diligent kan? Because it has more than 2 syllables. Maka siapa tadi yang diligent? Who? Harin ya. Maka Harin formatnya itu Harin is the most diligent student in the classroom. Nah, perbedaannya di mana? Tingkat lebihnya itu kita lihat kalau lebih dari 2 syllables itu, maka ada kata the most. Paham sampai di situ?
Paham, sir.
Nah, sekarang akan saya buat rumus, formula, supaya si Akbar nggak bingung kan gitu. Formula. Look at this one. Formula for 1 until 2 syllables ya. You got it? Nah, ini rumusnya. Kalau dia aktif, positive, maka rumusnya adalah subject plus auxiliary verb. Kalau kalian di sekolah sering dibilang itu to be kan? Iya kan? Iya, is and are. Di sekolah dibilang itu to be, tapi bagusnya itu adalah auxiliary verbs in to be. Lalu next one ditambahi dengan apa? Adjective. Look at the first one. Misalnya Akbar is rich. Benar nggak polanya?
Benar, sir.
Okay, next one kita buat ke comparative. Nah, komparatifnya itu tetap masih yang 1 silabel ya. Komparatif berarti subject plus auxiliary verb. Kalau ada bertulisan bersalahan huruf, maklum ya, karena saya ketik di chat box. Auxiliary verb dia tadi am, lalu apa? Is and are. Lalu is. Next one adjective. Adjective plus er. Okay, next then. Tambahlah ini yang lain lah. Then siapa? Okay? Coba konsepkan di situ. Misalnya Muhammad Akbar, give me one example. Comparative degree, go on. Hello, Muhammad Akbar.
Tunggu, Sir.
Yang lain juga boleh diikuti ya. Nanti saya tanya lagi. Already, Muhammad Akbar, give me one example for comparative degree. Yes, comparative degree. Go on. Look at the formula. Already, Muhammad Akbar, it's better to open your camera, ya. Already?
Sudah, Sir.
Okay, is. Next one, adjective plus est. Koko is the hardest. Okay, you got it? Coba kasih contohnya sama saya, positif, comparative, and superlative. Go on. Muhammad Akbar.
Tunggu, Sir.
Harin, coba kasih contohnya positif, negatif. Positif, negatif pula saya bilang. Positif.
Koko is handsome, sir.
Okay. Next one is comparative. Go on.
Lionel more handsome than Coco, sir.
Once again, look at the formula.
Lionel is more handsome than Coco.
Okay, and superlative.
Barry is the most handsome
Okay.
man, sir.
Okay, kita buat yang pertama more than 2 syllable. Sorry ya, syllables harusnya ya. Syllables. Okay. Positive. Okay, positifnya subject. Okay, subject. Next one, subject. Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs. Am, is, and are. Plus adjectives. Benar kan, Harwin? Polanya kan? Already?
Yes, sir.
Next one, comparative. Look at this one, comparative, subject. Next one, auxiliary verbs. Am, is or are. Next one, adjective. Wait, compare subject. Subject is more, ya kan? More. Adjective. Next one, than. Okay? Bla bla bla. Benar nggak itu, Harin? Coco is more handsome, ya kan? Than. Benar kan?
Benar, sir.
Okay, next one, superlative. Superlative. Okay, next one, subject, okay, plus auxiliary verbs am, is, and are. Next one, subject is. Next one, the most. Okay, wait, most adjective plus titik-titik lah. Benar nggak itu, Harin? Is that correct?
Correct, sir.
Okay. Next, for Harin, give me one example in positive, comparative, and superlative for 1 until 2 syllable. Go on.
1 syllable.
Or 2, yeah, 1 or 2 syllable.
Johan is beautiful, sir.
Once again.
Johan is beautiful.
Johan is beautiful. Beautiful. 3 syllables.
Siap, sir.
Jadi paham nggak maksudnya yang satu suku kata dan 2 suku kata? Misalnya rich. Coba dibunyikan di mulut itu. Rich hanya satu kan? Iya kan?
Sir.
Nah, rich. Tapi kalau dibilang crazy, berapa? 2 kan?
Yes, sir.
Iya, crazy 2. Kalau diligent, 3 syllables. 3 suku kata. Yang saya minta 1 ke 2 suku kata buat contohnya in positive, comparative, and superlative. Next, yang lebih dari 2 suku kata in positive, comparative, and superlative. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Siapa namanya? Iya, ulangi kawan. Si Muhammad Akbar already understood about this one.
Already, sir.
Okay. Yang lainnya cobalah dulu sambil saya tunggu-tunggu buat di chat box contohnya kawan. Nanti saya bacakan. Kawan. Muhammad Akbar. Who else? Lionel, Harin, Barry, kawan. Arif Koko. You can write down in the chat box, go on, 1 until 2 syllables, and the next one is more than 2 syllables, go on, in positive, comparative, and superlative. Next one, please, Muhammad Akbar, give me examples.
Coco is good.
Okay. Next one.
Coco is more good than Lionel.
No, there is no more good. It's better.
Coco is better than Lionel.
Okay, next one.
Coco is the most good.
No. Good, better, and best. Itu gak beraturan itu kata sifatnya itu ya. Jadi ada perubahan dari kata sama dengan bad, worse, dan worst. Makanya di judul itu tadi ada kata worse and worst. Better and worst. You got it? Coba saya buat pakai slides ya. I use the slides so you can understand about this one. Look at this one. Can you see the slides? What's going on? Wait. Muhammad Akbar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at the slides, yeah. There is troubles on my laptop. Look at this one. Wait. Look at this one. For instance, Barry, look at this one, yeah. Barry is rich. You got it? Barry is richer than Coco. Next one, Barry is the richest man in the city. Apa artinya nih? What does it mean?
Barry itu kaya.
Ya.
Barry lebih kaya daripada Coco.
Okay.
Barry adalah pria terkaya di kota.
Okay, next one. Okay, next one. Look at this one. Please read. Go on.
Coco is handsome. Coco is more handsome than Joko. Coco is the most handsome in the city.
Okay, you got it? So look at this one. This is, we can use this one. Okay, look at this one based on the formula already presented in the chat box. So you can use the formula. Okay, so this is the rule. Sometimes look at this one because you already mentioned before, like this one. Barry is good, right? Before. Next one, Barry is better than Coco. Next one, Barry is the best student in the classroom. So look at this one. This is adjective but this is irregular. Artinya ini nggak teratur ini ya. Jadi ada perubahan dia itu nggak seperti yang lain ditambahkan R atau IR. Ini ada perubahan ini. Paham? Nah, ada contoh lain, misalnya several examples seperti misalnya contoh lain itu another word like bad, ya, bad becomes worse, becomes worst. Nah, ini juga nggak beraturan ini apa? Muhammad Akbar. This one. Okay, I make this one italic. Paham? Jadi jangan nanti kamu bilang, you say Barry is good, lalu Barry is gooder, lalu Barry is the best good. Itu nggak boleh. Paham?
Paham, sir.
Okay, I will call your name one by one. The next one, give me one example. Okay? First, Harry, go on. Harin.
Aku, sir.
Give one example for one syllable or one and two syllables and more than two syllables. Go on by using this format for positive, comparative, and superlative. Go on.
Lionel is smart.
Yes.
Lionel is more handsome.
No. You follow smart. Ubah semua smart.
Semua, sir.
Iya, buat dia ke bentuk positive, positive, comparative, and superlative. 1 until 2 syllables and the next one is more than 1 syllable. Saya mau pastikan kalian everyone is able to understand. Go on. Lihat format yang di slide itu ya. Jangan lari kemana-mana.
Smart.
Next. Go on.
Coco is smart. One syllable kan, sir?
Yes. Sorry, ini handsome boy ini ya. Harus ada handsome boy. Okay, sorry. Go on.
Coco is smarter than Lionel.
Once again from positive. Go on.
Lionel is smart.
Okay, Lionel is smart. Next one.
Coco is smarter than Lionel.
Okay, superlative.
Barry is the smartest people in this city.
Okay. Next one, more than 2 syllables. Go on.
Katie is beautiful.
Yes, next one.
Katie is more beautiful than Julie.
Okay, next one.
Katie is the most beautiful girl in this world.
Okay, I already wrote down in the chat box the formula. Yeah, you can follow the rules. Okay, next one, Lionel. Go on. Please give me one example for each part.
John is tall.
Okay, next one.
John is taller than Mary.
Okay,
John is the tallest in the group.
tallest what? Tallest?
In the group, sir.
Next, tallest what? Tallest man, tallest student.
Oh,
There
tallest
must
man.
be a noun.
Oh.
Okay. Next one, more than 2 syllables. Go on.
Joko is happy.
Okay.
Joko is happier.
No,
than
no.
Mary.
But by using more than 2 syllables, because you are going to use more and the most. Go on.
Oh, Joko is more happier.
More happier.
Mary.
You mentioned twice.
Jadi sir happier, sir.
Happier.
Joko is happier than Coco.
Yes.
Joko is the happiest student in the classroom.
Please give me at least 3 syllables, Lionel. 3 syllables. Like diligence, beautiful. What else?
Beautiful, sir.
Okay, please try to use beautiful. Go on.
Jane is beautiful.
Okay.
Jane is more beautiful than Joko.
Okay.
Jane is the most beautiful girl in the city.
Okay. Next one, Arif, Coco. Go on. Give me the examples for each part: positive, comparative, and superlative. Go on. 4, 1 until 2 syllables, and more than 2 syllables.
Okay, sir. Arin is old.
Okay. Arvin is old. Already old or young? You hate him, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's bad.
And Mary is older than Arin.
Okay. Not the oldest. Okay, next one.
I'm the oldest than them.
Once again.
I'm the oldest among us.
Look at the look at the screen. I already saw the examples.
sir.
Once again from positive.
Okay, sir. Arin is old.
Okay.
Barry is older than Harin.
Okay.
I'm the oldest in the classroom.
Oldest. What oldest? Oldest man, oldest boy.
Oldest man, sir.
Okay, once again, Coco, from positive, comparative, and superlative, it must be clear.
Harin is old.
Yeah.
Barry is older than Harin.
Yes.
I'm the oldest man in the classroom.
Okay, next one for more than 2 syllables. Go on.
Then 2 syllables, sir.
Yes.
Famous, sir. Famous bisa, sir.
Famous too.
Tuh. Apa lagi ya? Ntar, sir.
Okay.
Important, sir.
Yes, good. Important. 3 syllables. Go on.
Important, sir.
Go on.
Apa ya? Math is important lessons.
Okay.
Physics is more important than math.
Okay.
Uh, what is English of conjunction?
No. Please once again for positive, comparative, and superlative for important. Go on. You can say.
Okay, sir.
Go on. Because you already confirmed that you already understood about this one, but it's better for me
Oh,
to
yes, okay,
explain
sir.
it more. Go on.
Okay, sir. Math is the important lesson. Physics is more important than
There
math.
there is no the math is important.
Math is important lesson.
Okay, next one. Comparative.
Physics is more important than math.
Okay, superlative.
English is the most important lesson.
Okay, you got it. Thank you. I give you the applause. My applause. Next one, Barry. Go on. For one until two syllables and more than two syllables in positive, comparative, and superlative. Go on.
Koko is fast.
Okay.
Koko is faster than Arin.
Okay.
Koko is the most. Koko is fastest in his group.
Okay. Next, more than two syllables.
Koko is clever.
Clever. Two syllables. I need more than two.
Koko is cheerfully.
Careful. Yeah. Okay. Careful. Two.
Carefully, sir.
Oh, carefully. Adverb. Okay,
Bentar, sir.
okay. You can use careful. Boleh lah itu careful. Go on. Careful. Pakai more sama the most. Go on.
Koko is careful.
Okay.
Koko is more careful than Arin.
Okay, next one.
Koko is the most careful man in his city.
Okay, next one. Muhammad Akbar. Go on. Open your camera, Muhammad Akbar. What are you doing over there? Go on.
Today is cold.
Okay. Cold here, so hot.
Cold aja, sir.
Oh, cold aja. Because here is very hot. Go on. Next one.
Today is colder than yesterday.
Okay. Superlative.
Today is the coldest day this week.
Okay, thank you. Next one, more than two syllables. Go on.
She is interesting.
She is interesting. Okay, next one.
She is the most interesting.
Hey, more. Comparative. Go on.
She is interesting.
Yes, okay.
She is more interesting than her friends.
Okay, next one.
She is the most interesting I've ever seen.
Okay, you got it. Jadi untuk materi yang ini udah paham, the formula already shared to your chat box ya. Saya sudah kirim formulanya di chat box kan?
Yes, sir.
Already clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, you can learn it home again. Okay, next one. Look at this one. So there are rules when you are learning about degrees of comparisons. Look at your slides. So look at this one. For positive, like 1 until 2 syllables, like this one, short, big, and comparative add er in the end of the adjective. You can see ya, dapat dilihat kan? Look at this one. There is adjective and there is, what is this? And there is er. So it can be used when you are going to make comparative degree. And the superlative, look at this one. There must be the and adjective and plus est. So for instance, hard, the hardest. Smart, the smartest. You know? And the next one, look at this one. When the adjectives ends with ly or y or w, like silly, what else? Narrow. Next one, so when you are going to make into comparative, so ly or y, it must be changed to become I. Jadi yang huruf y berubah menjadi i. Paham?
Paham, sir.
For instance, silly becomes sillier. Cry, sorry, bukan cry. Apa namanya contohnya lagi? Shy, malu ya. Shy menjadi sire. Okay? Next one, so you put est in the end of the adjective after changing y becomes I. Misalnya tadi silly yang berujung yang berakhir apa namanya dengan huruf y, in the superlative it changed to become I. So the silliest. Nah, sampai situ sudah paham? Everyone, you got it?
Paham, sir.
And the next one, how about more than 2 syllables? Like modern 2, sometimes modern. Okay, sometimes for 2 or 3 syllables, sometimes there are several concepts that like lazy, lazier, they make them laziest and so on, but it will be clear for more than 2 syllables. Artinya ada kadang konsep dua suku kata itu 2 syllables, mereka menggunakan er atau est kalau superlatif, tapi ada juga yang membuat langsung kepada more sama the most. Misalnya tadi seperti apa tadi? Careful, tapi dibaca itu kan 2, tapi kalau tulisannya itu 3 kan, careful, bener kan? Apa Lionel tadi? Lionel ngasih careful?
Very, sir.
Yeah, very. So look at this one, modern. So when you are going to make into comparative, just adding, okay, more, and the next one followed by the adjective. So more interesting, more careful, more diligent, more beautiful. See, this is the examples. Okay, please see the slides. And how about for superlative degree? Just write down like this one, the most plus adjective. The most modern, the most beautiful, the most careful, the most important, the most diligent, the most beautiful, and many more. So as for your notes, clever, common, cruel, friendly, gentle, narrow, pleasant, polite, shallow, simple, stupid, quiet, plus est or more, and the most. So like clever, sometimes people can say cleverer. Iya kan, ada orang pakai itu cleverer. Walaupun ada bilang orang more clever. Common, more common. Tetapi kadang ada, apa namanya tuh, pengecualian ya. Jadi nggak bisa. Lebih aman saya bilang itu tadi more than 2 syllables. Jadi lebih gampang. Misalnya gentle, itu kita buat menjadi more gentle. Narrow, more narrow. Pleasant, more pleasant. You got it? Paham sampai di situ? Paham sampai di situ? Harin, Muhammad Akbar, Lionel, and Arif Koko, you got it?
Paham, sir.
Okay, next. Udah di screenshot ini kan Muhammad Akbar? Already screenshot before?
Sudah, sir.
Okay, and the last one, look at your slide. And complete the sentences with the correct form of the adjectives and adverbs and any other necessary words. Who can answer for number 1? Go on, Arif Koko. Can you answer for number 1? Arif Koko.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you answer number 1?
Okay, sir. Complete the sentence with the correct form of the adjective and verb. Okay, sir. The weather tomorrow won't be cold as today.
Won't be?
Cold.
Won't be cold. Okay, next, complete sentence with the correct form of the adjectives and adverbs, okay? And any other necessary words. Okay, number 2, Harin.
Di This is the best pizza.
This is the best pizza. Go on.
This is the best pizza I've ever eaten.
Okay, number 3. Lionel, go on.
Do you think this is the most difficult than the other test?
So once again, number 3.
Do you think this is more difficult, sir?
Okay, more because there is then ya. Berarti, ya kan? Benar kan? Ada di situ then. Ciri khasnya berarti more. Okay, next one. Number 4. Lionel. Oh, Barry. Sorry, Barry. Go on, Barry. No, Barry. Hello. Muhammad Akbar, go on.
This book's okay, but it isn't the most interesting one I've ever read.
This book is?
Isn't the most interesting, sir.
Okay, most interesting. Next one, number 5, Coco.
She learns things easier than I do.
Look at this one. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the adjectives and adverbs. Adverbs. Adverbs, adjective plus ly. But here, she learns things easier ya karena ada than, ya kan? Okay, good. Next one, number 7, go on. Lionel.
Hurry up. Can you walk more quickly?
Okay, more quickly ya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Coco.
Do you speak loud as your sister?
Once again.
Do you speak loud as your sister?
Another one. Do you have any interesting? Another answer? How about the others? Ada jawaban yang lain? Hello? Hello, where are you? Muhammad Akbar.
Sama, sir.
Samanya gimana?
Loud as juga, sir.
Okay, loud as juga. Oh my god. Okay, next one, already done. So look at this one before ending these sessions. Okay, look at this one. No need to give you homework because you will have holiday tomorrow. So look at what number 1. Who can answer? Comparative adjective. Go on. Number 1, Barry. Number 1, Coco. Go on.
I'm not Very short. I am taller than you.
Okay, nice. And the next one, number 2, Harin. Harin, where are you? Number 2.
Udah tidur dia, sir.
Oh my god. Number 2, Coco. Go on.
I like cats. I think cats are cuter than dogs.
Okay, next one, number 3, Lionel.
London is noisier, sir.
Okay, please read all.
Oh, London is noisier than Cambridge because Cambridge is small.
Small. So what is your answer? Go on. Please be careful.
B, sir.
B. Go on.
A, sir, A.
A. London is noisier than Cambridge because Cambridge is more small.
Is
Go on.
small, sir. D, brother, sir.
Huh?
D, sir.
Denmark. London is more noisier. Oh no, more and noisier. You add 2. Just choose one of them. If you make noisier, there is no more. If you make more, there is no ER. So only one. Choose one of them. Go on. So that's why be careful.
C, sir.
See, we try. London is noisier than Cambridge because Cambridge is
Smaller, sir.
smaller. Okay, good. Number 4, Harlin already? Harin? Where are you, Harin? Harin. Where is he? Okay, Coco, go on.
Dengan kata, sir.
Okay, Coco.
What number, sir? Number 4, sir.
Number 4, okay.
Okay, sir. Tablets are cheaper than smartphones.
Okay.
Smartphones are very expensive.
Okay, nice. Number 5, Akbar.
Our house is smaller than my grandparents' house.
Not smaller, yeah, but smaller. Once again, our house is small. Ondol, smaller. Once again, Akbar.
Our house is smaller than my grandparents' house.
Okay, read all. Read all the sentences, boy.
My grandparents' house is not very big.
Okay, thank you. Next one, Coco, number 6.
Camels are usually slower than horse, but they are faster than horse in deserts.
So the answer is?
B, sir.
Okay, British. Number 7, go on. Lionel.
Nights are shorter, sir.
So your answer is America?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nights are... Are you sure shorter nights than in winter? Shorter or longer?
Longer, sir.
Nights are longer than days in winter. Okay, number 8. Coco.
I think English is easier than math.
Okay. Next one, number 9. Akbar.
My friends are happier than me because their English is gooder than my English.
Nggak ada gooder. Udah saya bilang tadi. Good, better, and best.
D, sir.
Huh?
D.
Denmark?
Yes,
My friends are happier than me because their English is better than my English. Okay, good. Denmark. Number 10, Coco.
Number 10, sir.
Yes, number 10. Go on.
I want to eat this sandwich because I am more hungry than my father.
Okay, the answer is America, yeah? Next one, Lionel, number 1. Go on.
Australia is big, but Canada is bigger than.
Okay, Canada, yeah? Number 2,
Canada.
yes. Number 2, Akbar. Go on, faster. Akbar, where are you? Number 2.
David is 185 centimeter tall.
Centimeter.
Centimeter tall.
Centimeter.
Centimeter tall.
Yeah.
He is taller than Andrew.
Okay, number 3, Coco.
I think that summer is better than winter.
Okay, for Lionel.
My brother thinks this restaurant is worse than.
Canada, yeah? Canada.
Yes, sir.
5, Coco.
Si Harin, sir. Harin tadi, sir.
Okay, Harin, number 5. Ini lang timbul ini si Harin ini.
Lek, sir.
Oh, lek.
Pura-pura dalam perahu dia, sir.
Iya, mana tahu mesan kopi dingin kamu sebentar melarikan diri kan? Go on. Harin, number 5.
Do you think math and science are more difficult than history and English?
Ish, langsung benar pula itu setelah minum kopi dingin. Kopi susu pula itu ya kan, Kopassus kan? Kopi?
Kopassus, dia.
Kopassus. Number 6, Harin. Yang lain udah banyak. Go on, Harin, number 6.
In my opinion, this pink dress is more prettier than that green dress.
So the answer is British.
Yes, sir.
Number 7, Harin. Because you already enjoyed iced milk, yeah? Go on. Or iced coffee.
This summer was much hotter than last summer.
American?
American, sir.
Okay, number 8, Harin.
Did you know that crossing a busy street more dangerous than
Canada?
life?
Okay,
Yes,
next
sir.
number 9, Coco.
Okay.
Cukup Syarin ya, sir.
Nanti marah dia udah di chatnya, saya udah capek saya sir katanya, yang lain dulu katanya.
Patrick thinks that chocolate cake is delicious than banana cake.
Comparative apa? Comparisonnya mana, Coco?
More delicious, sir.
Oh, so the answer is Canada ya. Number 10. Di chat siapa lagi saya, Muhammad Akbar. Saya lah sir 3 nomor katanya. Udah saya kasih nomor 3 nomor. 10, 11, 12 Akbar. Go on.
Asian elephants are heavy, but African elephants are even heavier. B, sir.
Okay. Next, number 12. 11. Go on, Akbar.
My uncle is taller than my
Teller.
father, but my
Oi, not teller. Taller.
My uncle is taller than my father.
Taller,
but my father is
taller,
older.
taller, taller, not taller. Once again, go on.
My uncle is taller than my father, but my father is older.
Is?
Older.
Okay. Next one, 12. Go on, Muhammad Akbar.
Reading a book with a nice hot cup of tea is the most relaxing than doing exercise.
There is Dan. Why do you say most? Perhatikan
Hot
ciri-cirinya
cup of
ya.
tea.
Ya.
Hot cup of tea is more relaxing than doing
Yes.
exercise.
13. Lionel. 13 and 14. Lionel, go on.
Comedy movies are okay, but I think that action movies are better, sir.
Okay, 14. Yours.
Taking a taxi to work yeah, is more kok ada den-nya 2 kali.
Oke lah, itu kesalahan besar itu. Yang kita buat lah nggak pakai dan yang B. Oke, go on.
Taking a taxi to work is more expensive, sir.
Oke, yang C lah. Yang C kita buang dan-nya ya. C ini ya. Oke.
Sir.
Number 15 dibilang si Koko. Masa mereka aja yang dua-dua, sir, katanya. Oke, Koko. 15 and 16. Go on.
Sir.
Go on. Go on.
Saturdays is nicer than
Hey!
Mondays because I don't have to
Saturday is more than one. There is S.
Oh yeah, are sir.
No. Once again, Koko.
Saturdays are nicer.
Okay. Saturdays.
Saturdays are nicer than Mondays because I don't have to go to school.
Okay, number 16. Go on, Koko. Because Koko already complained. Yang lain
Why?
banyak-banyak. Saya cuma satu-satu katanya.
Question number 15 was easier than question number 14, right?
Okay, that's good. Finally, you could understand about it. Okay, yang ini saya kasih PR kalian. Look at this one. We're in pairs or small groups. Discuss this statement. Do you agree or disagree with them? Why? The best things in life are free. Already screenshot? Already?
Already, sir.
And this one also, your homework. Choose two things or people from one of these categories. Write a paragraph comparing them. Okay, sports that you like, that you like, that you know, school subjects, books that you have read. So, choose two things from these things or people. The next one you are going to compare. Okay? Paham tugasnya? Muhammad Akbar?
Jadi ada PR, sir.
Ya, ini PR. Kita kasih PR lah, tapi atau PR nggak usah pakai PR. It's up to you.
Gimana, weh?
How about you? Nanti marah pula nanti Gubernur Dedi.
Ya, sir, lebih baik.
Nanti marah nanti Kang Dedi Mulyadi saya kasih PR kan? Hah? Oke, ini aja. Next meeting aja kita discuss ya.
Iya, sir. Masuk bulan PR, sir.
Cocok kan?
Oke, sir.
Next meeting aja
Yes,
kita
sir.
apa? Oke, nanti nanti marah nanti Gubernur Kang Dedi Mulyadi saya kasih PR. Iya kan? Oke, next meeting nanti saya lanjutkan menjelaskan ini sedikitnya nih ya kan? Kita nanti sharing saja. Oke? Any questions Muhammad Akbar?
No, sir.
Okay, Lionel, already clear, Lionel?
Clear, sir.
Arif Koko. Arif Koko. Next one, Harin. Already clear, Harin?
Clear, sir.
Okay, if it has been clear for you, I think that's all for today because there will be no class tomorrow. We will continue next Monday, yeah, at the same times, okay? Okay, see you.
Minggu depan sampai hari Jumat lagi, sir.
Enggak, hari minggu depan enggak ada Jumat. 3 kali seminggu kita nanti. Ini pengganti minggu lalu karena kalian so busy. Oke?
Yes, sir.
Jadi minggu depan kalian udah santai kok. Oke, 3 kali seminggu ya. 3 times in a week. These days or maybe this week
Okay,
is the the placement time from last week. Jadi kemarin biar nggak rugi kalian, kita gantikan di minggu ini. Oke ya, artinya biar kalian nggak rugi. Next week akan ada 3 sesi saja ya. 3 times in a week. Oke? See you next week everyone.
See you, sir, next week.
Okay.